How to cancel Tinder subscription. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your subscription on the Tinder application. Now it's going to be case to case basis. So first is of course pull up your Tinder application like so. So it depends how you log in. If you logged in onto your Tinder account using your Apple account, you can go ahead and tweak around the settings of your Apple and you can cancel the subscription right there. However, if you tried logging in using your Google account, what you want to have to do once you pull up the app is to go into profile. And from here, scroll all the way down from the very bottom part of this page and then go into the gear icon, which is going to be settings. Again, scroll all the way down and you should be able to see the option here under payment account. Now, once you tap on manage payment account, this is going to be your manage subscription tab. If you're currently subscribed to Tinder, then you should be able to see the option here to stop or to cancel the ongoing monthly due for your Tinder subscription. Have it confirmed to be canceled and you're done. And that's it. That's how you cancel Tinder subscription.